So I just sold these drawers, so I ended up emptying everything, and I realized I actually should declutter and get rid of some of these things that I don't use, you know? I just fit so much clothes in this away bag. It is crazy. I highly recommend it. It's so much in here. All right, everyone, welcome home. Take my clothes. It is a very surreal feeling to feel like I'm living all on my own. But here's the space. Here's where I'll be vlogging and sharing everything with you guys. It is hot in here. 72 is fine. Obviously, I want to take off my shoes. So in my old apartment, I actually couldn't even see the sky. I had to like really go out into my balcony and look far in the left corner to see any type of blue. There's so much space. But here's my bedroom and a closet. The bathroom that really stole the show for me. And something else that really stole the show was the fridge. I finally have my own fridge. Usually I would share my fridges and I would either just get like a segment. So I can't believe I get my own. My own until my fiance and I get married, then he'll move in and I'll have to share. Okay, I gotta unload a bunch of things. All right. This is where the modem and router goes. I don't have to hide it with my crate box anymore. Moving is exhausting. But this video is sponsored by HelloFresh and I am just so thankful because I need something quick and easy to eat because I don't really have anything in my fridge other than HelloFresh. So this video is sponsored by HelloFresh. So with HelloFresh, you get fresh pre-portioned ingredients and seasonal recipes delivered right to your doorstep. I personally loved it because this whole week, I haven't really had a lot of time to go grocery shopping or anything like that. So to have it delivered right to my door was so helpful. HelloFresh is lovely, and this Valentine's Day, you can skip the overcrowded and overpriced restaurants and you can eat at home with a delicious 3-course meal featuring a starter, a scrumptious side, and then a delicious dessert. HelloFresh offers so many recipes to choose from each week to help you break out of a recipe rut and really try new things. And all of the produce gets from the farm to your doorstep in under a week to ensure everything stays fresh. I think one of the best things about HelloFresh is that it offers a wide variety of quick and easy recipes, including 20-minute meals, although I would say my salad took about 15 minutes to make, and it's super easy cleanup and low prep options. And the packaging HelloFresh uses to ship your food is already recycled content. I made that so quickly, that was amazing. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code MayaLee16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. TV? Oh no, that's the TV.
No, there's no way this is the TV. This is what Maya thought was the TV.
This way? Wow. Ta-da! New TV. Could have mounted it, but I just felt like that was a huge commitment that I wasn't ready for. Ooh, nice. Here, what's the first thing we're gonna put on? Oh, it's a very soft rug. Korean style, eating on the floor.
I hope to hear that.
Yay!
That will be for...
Thank you. Eating our crepes. Here is the swimming pool. There's the club room over here, the apartment theater, and the cardio room. There are definitely a lot of amenities in this apartment, which I feel like contributes to the price, but it's really cool, and I kind of feel like I'm in a dorm in college, but just like a really, really nice dorm. Hello everybody, here is my new apartment, and I wanted to tell you what is going on and why I am moving. So I've been living at my apartment, the one that I did a bunch of videos in for the last 3 years, which is actually quite a long time for me. I have moved quite often. I counted 13 times in my life. My family moved around a lot within the same area, and then in college I moved every year or so, and even as an adult I have moved several times. Things were going really wrong in that apartment. There were so many leaks, which happens, but we also ended up finding mold in my apartment. So unfortunately our landlord didn't take care of it in the most responsible way, and so my apartment mate and I decided it was time to move. And because I am getting married, I decided to get my own place, and my apartment mate is actually moving quite far away, so it kind of all worked out. But now I'm in this space and this is our home. I'm so excited to shoot more videos and to share this space with you. I need to unpack. At first I was trying to look for a really cost-efficient apartment. I looked the entire month, and unfortunately just the rent has been so crazy in Los Angeles and the city in particular that I'm living in, and I want to be close to my parents, so this is the one I have to get. But in the past I have lived in apartments that had cockroaches. I've lived in apartments where the balconies were about to collapse. I have done a lot of things to try and save money as much as I can. Because of my YouTube channel, I am so thankful that I even get to live in a place like this. So thank you so much for being here. Please smash the like button for me if you like what you see and join my family. Bye!